Hello, Internet world. I want to hop on real quick and just talk about something that's very important and weighs very heavy on my heart. And I feel that it gets a bad rap, I guess you could say, depression. And I know it's something that people don't like to talk about, and it's viewed as taboo, like, oh, you're crazy, or go see a shrink, or it has a very negative connotation, and I don't like that, and I can't stand that. Because in a nutshell, we are human beings, and we are living, breathing, physical, emotional, spiritual, mental, unique creatures. And each one of us is unique. Even twins. They're same DNA, but each one of them is different. So with that being said, life can get crazy. And we all have to go through struggles. And we all have to go through tough times and good times. And God knows I've had my fair share. And it's not easy. And what sucks about depression is that it's frowned upon sometimes to talk about it, and I don't like that, because it's a normal reaction to sadness. It's a normal reaction to death. It's a normal reaction to have pain when something is affecting you or affecting those around you. What becomes a problem is when the depression takes over you and you feel like you can't function and you feel like you can't get out of bed. And trust me, I've been there. There's, luckily, thank God, all is good now, but I've been at places in my life where I felt like I literally could not get out of bed, and if the house was dirty, the house was dirty. And it's tough when you're in a depressed state, because it does take a toll on your home. It takes a toll on your body. It takes a toll on your mind and on your spirit and on those around you and even your pets. I mean, it encompasses so much of your life. So I just want to say there's no shame in struggling. There's no shame. There should not be any shame in feeling depressed. And if you feel it, if you're going through a hard time, please, 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 please reach out for help. And I mean that in the bottom of my heart. Whether it's texting a friend or calling somebody, or going to church or yoga or meditating or just enjoying some good ice cream. As long as it's something that's not going to continue the cycle of sadness in your life, get help, ask for help, reach out, take a walk, empty out a closet, do something to get yourself out of that funk. And there are people, and there are so many organizations that can help you. Not just cleaning businesses, not just organizing businesses, but dietitians, spiritual guiders, pastors, churches, nonprofit organizations. There's so much out there for whatever you're dealing with. And, it's 2019. If you don't have a smartphone, the internet has internet, the library has internet that's free. So, go on there and Google food banks, clothing shelters, women resources, men resources, physical abuse, mental abuse, drug abuse, alcohol abuse. It's there. There's so much help out there for whatever you're going through. And with that, I also want to say that kindness is free. It literally costs nothing to smile at a stranger. And I am the hugest person of energy that you give out, you get back. And genuine, not because you want to get back so you're going to do good, but genuinely you want to do good in the world. And I'm a big believer in that. And I am such a big believer in that. You never know that person that you smiled to walking down the street, they may have been thinking of jumping in front of a train, and your smile may have stopped that. And I know life is tough, and we all have our moments of road rage and flicking off the finger at somebody, and we all go through that, and that's totally normal. And it sucks because we don't know if that finger we just flicked may have triggered somebody. Just like that smile we gave somebody may have brightened their day. So it's tough. It's tough to try to figure out our feelings. It's tough to try to maneuver through this life. And it's just tough. So I just want to say that if you're going through a hard time, please reach out. Please look for help. Even if it's something as simple as calling a friend and say, listen, I need to talk. And just talk. Just let it out. And it'll make your day better. It'll make your soul better, your health better, just little by little. It doesn't change overnight. It takes a while. But if you're in a funk, don't think that nobody cares. There are over 7 billion people in the world. Do not tell me that no one cares about you. Because I know somebody does. And if they don't, I care about you. So there. So get help. If you need help, if you're in a funk, there's so many people that are willing to help. And nothing brings more joy to my heart than just helping somebody. Whether it's in my business or just as a friend or whatever it is, even just sharing a link for somebody to get help. There's so many ways. So I just hope you all have a wonderful day and a blessed day. And be nice and be kind to one another. Peace.